ID number 2012500024 and with my friends.
Hello, my name is Sally to number 201250026.
Okay.
See you.
Huh? Huh?
Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will do a podcast about
Memories, good and bad experience.
okay.
Do you have any more experience, Lily?
Yes, Sally.
When was your experience, Lily?
When was I at the dormitory?
Please tell me about your experience, Lily.
Of course, my best experience throughout my student, I constantly ranked among the top 10 students. I also participation in leadership and management training to build skills in organizing activity and working in teams. While living in the dormitory, I was entrusted with the role of treasurer and experience that training me to manage finances actually honestly and transparently. And you, Sally, do you also have a good experience?
Yes, Lily.
Please tell me about the memorable experience.
Of course. For five years, my teacher trusted me to serve as secretary and treasurer. I handle record reports and full responsible. It was I great honor and taught me honesty and discipline. Lily, what experience made you feel very embarrassed?
The experience that made me feel very embarrassed was when the dormitory, when it was very crowded, suddenly I slipped on fell right in the middle of the busy area with so many people around and watching. I feel extremely embarrassed. Do you also have the same experience of falling down suddenly?
Yes, I did, but it happened when I was traveling to Bukit Condong with friends. I also feel I Bukit Condong in front of Manis Fort. I felt so embarrassed. I feel.
Wow, it turns on the bus